And getting in more updates, we are now learning that Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah is set to chair another key review meeting at his residence at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Earlier, the Home Minister Amit Shah had chaired a meeting with the top officials, including the Delhi Commissioner of Police, the Intelligence Bureau Director, and also the NSG DG at his residence. My colleague Arunima is now joining us live from the Home Minister's residence. Arunima, another key meet that will be chaired by the Union Home Minister. The details so far that have been collated, all of that is going to be discussed. And for the fact that this is a direct link to the Faridabad Jaish module, this is a big development.
So while we await the official word from Ministry of Home Affairs and from the Home Minister's office, sources indicate that around 3 o'clock, it is likely that the Home Minister is going to touch base with all the officials from Delhi Police, from the IB, NSG and NIA once again. If you saw the visuals of the last meeting, which went on for more than an hour, I think almost an hour and a half, in that meeting, Home Minister can be clearly seen giving instructions. In that visual, you will see how while he is speaking, notes are being taken by DG NIA, by the Special Commissioner of Police, Special Cell, and by the other officers who are there to aid investigation as well. So it looks like the understanding we have is that there were specific instructions that the Home Minister gave. At around 3 p.m., he is going to take a second review meeting in all likelihood and touch base as to how it is proceeding. And all this is happening while the Faridabad police is carrying out its own crackdown. There are searches being conducted. Jammu and Kashmir police too, we are told, has detained at least one more doctor. And Uttar Pradesh police too is carrying out its own searches. So I think the Home Minister is focusing on absolute coordination between all agencies so that there is real-time intelligence sharing, and whatever intelligence is shared by one agency is acted upon by the other. That seems to be the primary focus of the centre at the moment.
Right, Arunima, do stay on with us. We are getting some more updates. We are learning of more arrests that have been made, and we are now learning